Mga kabaro, kasama po natin ang bagong irang na Secretary General ng World Sikaran Brotherhood, si Ma'am Maria Iris Rodolfo. Ma'am, it's nice to meet you and welcome to Sports Corner.
Yes, thank you so much for having me, and I'm glad to have you today. And it's my honor to be part of this event.
First of all, what's your reaction nga pala dito sa ginanap na National Athletes Forum? Meron kayong mga athletes na pinadala dito sa event na yun?
Yeah, actually, we are so glad and happy that we were part of this event today. And of course, we have our training director, na si Karan, and one of our blessed black belt in town. So we're happy and glad that we were able to get some more information, new ideas, and new opportunities, especially for our sports athletes.
Medyo hindi pa tayo updated dito sa inyong grupo, and of course sa Pilipinas, si Karan na proudly Pinoy made. So ano ang latest?
Well, of course, you got in store. This coming November 16 and 17, we have the 61st National Tournament, which will be in General Trias, Cavite. So everyone is invited. You guys come and join us. And this event is fully a Filipino martial arts. We started in Baras, of course, in 1958.
Of course, ano ba ang expectations para dito sa national tournament na tiyak? Dami ang mga sasali from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and of course, they're ready to showcase yung galing nila pagdating sa sport na ito.
Yes, actually, we do this yearly, whole year round. Talagang they do prepare for this most expected tournament every year. So this time around, sigurado po ako, everyone had prepared, and the best player would win for this event.
And of course, sa national team, ano latest?
For the national team, we are preparing for that and hoping this player is going to win for this national tournament. We'll push through next year on the 7th International Sikaran, which will happen in New York, Buffalo. So hoping for the support of everyone to be there with us.
Okay, so Ma'am Iris, paano ka namin makakontak for details kung paano mag-register para sa event? And of course, imbitahin natin, even though pag out of town coverages, hindi ko kaya na i-cover natin, pero please send some updates dito sa upcoming national tournament, and of course we'll be happy to do that. Pero so far, ilan na ba yung mga clubs na yun na under ng WBSP? And of course,
WBSP right now has more than hundreds of clubs nationwide, and we also have our international groups there from Saudi, US, Australia, Canada as well. So marami tayong locations when it comes to Sikaran organization.
Oh.
But then again, with the incoming national tournament, we are inviting you, and please don't hesitate to send me a message at 0967-017-1715.
and of course, panawagan na rin sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta to watch the games, and of course to support our national team and all those activities na naka-line up nga ng World Sikaran Brotherhood. And of course, i-share natin ito sa Sports Corner PH, which now have 60K followers so far. So ito na ang inyong imbitasyon na at pasasalamat na rin.
Okay, una po sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagkikilik ng sariling atin, ang Sikaran, which is the Filipino art of foot fighting. So we invite everybody to join us and enjoy the event on November 16 sa General Trias po, Cavite.
Okay, so i-add kita sa Facebook para makapag-contact tayo, and of course, ma-interview namin kayo sa iba pa mga programs natin. So all the best for our national team, all the best for World Sikaran Brotherhood of the Philippines, and good luck sa lahat ng mga sasali nga dito sa national tournament. So thank you so much, and nice to see you. Thank you.